G'day, Matt Grace here from Flying Donkey. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on a project we did with Feaso. Feaso was a small startup company based out of Melbourne, and they're in the property development game, or more specifically, property development finance game. What they're trying to do is more easily show property developers and large property development groups what the overall value of their property is going to be, plus the funding and how it's going to be modeled across the life of the product. So for example, let's say you're going to buy a bunch of land and you're going to put a bunch of townhouses on it. How much is that land going to cost? How much are those units going to cost to build? And how much are those units going to cost to sell at the end? What does that project look like? What are the payback periods and what finance options are available? This is a very onerous and manual process for existing property developers, and it's generally done within a spreadsheet. Mistakes are plentiful, updates are very hard to come by, and it's always something you have to manage in-house. Feaso is looking to simplify this process and make it much easier for property developers to look at a project, work out how much it was going to cost and how much they were going to make. When they approached us, Feaso had some very good specifications of what they wanted to achieve, but they really couldn't present this to investors. We took that and we put together a fantastic prototype to help to show to a number of investors. At the point of recording, a number of investors are interested in investing in Feaso and looking to take it to the next stage. This is a great example of where a startup can come to work with us. We can help form up exactly what they're going to build, tell them what they are going to work, give them a prototype they can take to investors and move them to the next stage. If you are a startup looking to build your cloud or SaaS product and you're not sure what your next step could be, feel free to reach out to here at Flying Donkey. We'll be happy to chat to you and point you in the right direction.